I guess I'm almost done with this project. Now I'm just verifying everything around the Jeep to make sure everything is installed properly. As you can see before, we put this two strut right there to lift the hood, and it was a great investment. If you guys want to know or purchase those parts, I'm gonna leave them on the comment section below. So now I'm gonna move on to install the last part, which is the spare tire right here. I do have it on that side. So I'm just gonna install it, and then I'm just gonna do a walk around, and after that I'm gonna take the car to the DMV to get it registered and street ready. Let's go. Alright guys, so we got the spare tire installed. On the previous video I showed you that he installed the stop lights, the third brake lights on the back. All this one's been installed. On the engine we replaced the thermostat and then the temp sensor right here, and then we got the serpentine belt installed. On the bottom, installed the track bar, the blue one is installed, and then we got those disconnect sway bars installed as well. Okay, so now we are on the last step. We're gonna get this Jeep street ready and let's go. And now I just want to show you the ArkPRo by Olight, one of the best gadgets that you're gonna guys love for your flashlight. This one, as you can see, very small, but it's very powerful. It has mini modes, it has the flashlights, it has the UV lights, and what's good about it, it has the magnets on the bottom. If you are working on your car, you can just stick it this way and you can work in peace. And then for the lights, check this out one guys. Check this out. Look, now it's off. Check this out. Very powerful. Off. On. First level. Second level, and you can see everything as clear as the day. If you guys want this gadget, I'm gonna leave that on the comment section below, and then I'll see you soon with another video. Let's go.